Hey, what's up, Cardano holder? So this is the latest update of Cardano and what's the price prediction, and June can they will give you a profit. My friends, I just tell you freely everything. This is not a financial video. Remember, no one can give me money to make a special this promo video. So please remember to this is I just advise you, my brother. Please research personally if you take any decision. Thank you so much. All right, let's come to the point, my brother. In this video, I tell you to in upcoming times can in this month and June they will give you a profit or not, my brother. So you can see this time, first of all, the last 3 days chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely show you to the change curve will be positive. So why they are in the positive? First of all, at the end of month, every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket. So definitely this time you can see here the change curve will be positive. It's me to 100% at the end of month all cryptocurrency is moving upward. So my friends, skin and June they will moving upward. Definitely, my friends, they will moving upward because you can see here, especially at the May month, my friends, they will completely fails down. They cannot take a very huge jumps. All crypto market is very badly dumps down. So what's the main reason? The main reason, my friends, I told you to, especially the short term investor, they are starting selling in those days. And especially, my brother, especially the main reason is that to Cardano is very good coin, my friends, for long term investing. But definitely you could see this time the price is 1.61 USD dollar. I hope, my friends, the price again touch 2 USD dollar. So therefore, my friends, they cannot fail us down very fastly. You can see the last 3 months chart 1.77 USD dollar. So I think, and this time you can see they fail us down to 1.6 USD dollar. So I think this is not a big fails, my brother. Try to understand. But if you can see this time the Dutch coin holder, my brother, the Dutch coin this time come to 0.7 USD dollar to 0.3 USD dollar. Oh my goodness, this is very big fails, my friend, especially. So I think Cardano is very good for a long term investor. If you want to we make a good money for in a short time, then absolutely Cardano is not for you. And Cardano is very good coin for a long term investors. So kindly, if you want to invest for a long time, then absolutely Cardano is good option. So kindly invest now in a Cardano. And remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother. I'm 100% sure to in this month, my brother, they will completely go in the moon. If you can see this time, the last 7 days chart is also going to be positive, but after a very bad falls, you can see here they fails down. So if you check out the last the last 1 month chart, then exactly, my friend, they fails down. And after this fail, you can see here, after this fail, you can see here they're starting moving upward. Definitely after a fails they take a jump. So it's 100% sure, my brothers, to upcoming time they also moving upward and they will give you a very good profit, my brother. There is not a big update available on Cardano. Just my friends, you can see here I'm going to show you the last 1 hour update, the percent, the price you can see here plus 0.98% just in only in the last 1 hour. This is the update, and 1.77 USD dollar is the latest price of Cardano coin. So my brother, in upcoming time I hope they will moving upward. So you need to hold and invest if you want to. If you have any plan to invest more, then exactly this is good time for you. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.